So, welcome to integration topic. Now I am discussing about the integration by parts. So here the form is integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral u dash v. uv dash is equal to uv minus integral u dash v. This is a very important formula. But which function u, which function v dash? How can we find? Okay. Now I am discussing about the isolate function. Isolate. Isolate first of all. Isolate means I means inverse function, inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric means sin inverse x, cos inverse x, so on. Okay. Next, L, logarithmic function. Logarithmic function means log x, log 2x, so on. A means algebraic function. Algebraic function means x, x square, so on. T means trigonometric function. T means trigonometric function. Sin x, cos x, tan x, so on. And E means exponential function. Exponential function means e power x, e power 2x, so on. Okay. So which function comes first? The first function is the function which comes first in the word isolate. Which function first comes? It is called the in the word isolate. I can take as the u. All of you observe here. The first function is the function which comes first in the word isolate. Okay. So first of all, I am giving one example to you. Suppose integral log x dx means integral 1 into log x dx. 1 into logarithms. So first of all, algebraic inverse logarithmic algebraic. Therefore, u is equal to log x. Isolate inverse, there is no inverse function, logarithmic function. Therefore, u is equal to log x. V dash is equal to 1. Therefore, v is equal to x. I can use formula uv dash is equal to integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral u dash v. This is the formula. Therefore, integral log x dx is equal to uv x log x minus integral u dash, the derivative of log x, 1 by x into v x dx. X cancel. Therefore, answer x log x minus integral 1 x plus c. Therefore, you can take x as the common, log x minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. And integral e power x into f of x dx. E power x, integral e power x into f of x dx. Integral e power x f of x means integral e power x f of x minus f dash x plus f double dash x minus f triple dash x, so on, where f of x is a polynomial function. Where f of x is a polynomial function in x. And integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx. E power x into f of x plus c. This is the formula. Suppose example, integral e power x into sin x plus cos x. This is a given question. Here all of you observe, f of x is equal to sin x. The derivative of sin x, f dash x. Therefore answer is e power x into sin x plus c. All of you observe here, f of x is equal to sin x. The derivative of sin x, cos x. Therefore I can use this formula. Okay. Therefore answer is e power x into sin x plus c. And f of x plus x into f dash x dx is equal to x f of x plus c. X f of x plus c. Example. All of you look here. Integral f of x plus x into f dash x dx means integral derivative of x f of x. Therefore integral derivative, therefore x into f of x plus c. This is the formula. Therefore example, e power x plus x into e power x dx. Here the answer is x e power x plus c. Okay. Another example, x square, whatever may be, integral sin x plus x into cos x dx. Therefore answer is x into sin x plus c. X into sin x plus c. Okay. F of x is equal to sin x. The derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. And e power ax into sin bx plus c into dx. E power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx plus c minus b cos bx plus c plus constant. E power ax into sin bx plus c. One example, e power 3x into cos 4x dx. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. Therefore answer e power 3x by a square plus b square, 9 plus 16 into a 3 sin bx 4x minus b 4 cos bx plus constant. This is the answer. Okay. A power x into sin bx plus c dx. I can write e power x log a into sin bx plus c. Okay. Therefore the form is a power x by log a whole square plus b square log a into sin bx plus c minus b into cos bx plus c plus constant. This is the formula. Okay. Now I am discussing about the types. Okay. Evaluate of integrals of the form. Evaluate of integrals of the form. First of all, first one, type 1. Integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx, where a, b, c are real ABC are real and A not equal to 0. So I am discussing about some important types. You can write ax square plus bx plus c in the form of a into some x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. A into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. Then sum is very simple. Okay. I will give one example to you. Integral dx by x square plus x plus 1. Okay. So first of all, dx by x square, you can take here x. We can write in the form of some a plus b whole square, whatever may be, a plus b whole square plus b square, whatever may be. Okay. X square plus x plus 1, I can write in this way. So first of all, x square plus some value add and subtract. Okay. I can write in this way, x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 minus means x square plus x, you can add 1 by 4, subtract 1 by 4. Therefore, it is in the form of x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1 means x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4. Why? Because you can expand this x square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, x square 2 into x into 1 by 2, 2 to cancel plus 1 by 4. Simple trick, you can take, suppose here x given, therefore in x half means x by 2 means x into 1 by 2. You can take some value, half value. Okay, this is simple. Therefore I can write x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Okay, dx by x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. Here I can use only 1 by a square minus x square or 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by a square plus x square. These formulas I can use this condition. Only these three formulas I can use this condition. Okay. Here plus 3 by 4. Okay. Here I can use only these three formulas. Only these three formulas I can use. 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by a square plus x square. Therefore, it is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square means 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula. Therefore, 1 by a means 1 by root 3 by 2. This is the x, this is the a. Okay. Therefore, 1 by 3 root 2 tan inverse x by a, x plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus c. Therefore, answer 2 by root 3 tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c. This is the answer. Simple. Okay. In this function 1 by ax square plus bx plus c function, I can use only three formulas. The formulas 1 by x square plus a square and 1 by a square plus x, 1 by a square minus x square and 1 by x square minus a square. These three formulas I can use in this condition. And second one, type 2. 1 by root over ax square plus bx plus c or root over ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Same way you can reduce in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta. Okay. Plus beta. In this function I can use some formulas, using formulas. 1 by root over a square minus x square 1 by root over a square plus x square, 1 by root over x square minus a square, root over a square minus x square, root over x square minus a square, root over a square plus x square. I can use these formulas. Okay, I can use these formulas. Okay, I can use these formulas. I will give one example. Integral dx by root over x square plus 2x plus 10. Okay, therefore integral dx by, I can write x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 9. Integral dx by root over x plus 1 whole square plus 3 square. All of you observe here, it is in the form of 1 by root over a square plus x square. A square plus x square means sin h inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula. This is the formula. Sin h inverse x by a. Here I can use a substitution method. Here x plus 1 is equal to t. Therefore dx is equal to dt. Therefore dt by root over t square plus 3 square. Therefore sin h inverse t by 3 plus c. I know the form of t. Therefore sin h inverse x plus 1 by 3 plus c. Sin h inverse x plus 1 by 3 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Type 3. Suppose integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx, or integral px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c dx, or integral px plus q into root over ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay, I can use some important condition. We can write here some working rule. The working rule is px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Ax square plus bx plus b, then integrate. Okay, then integrate. Okay, I will give an example. Integral 2x plus 5 by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. Here I can write 2x plus 5 is equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b. 2x plus 5, this is the equation 1. You can write a into the derivative of x square 2x minus 2 plus b. Comparing the coefficients. Here the coefficients of x is equal to 2a. Therefore a is equal to 1. Okay. Here constants, 5 is equal to minus 2a plus b. Here observe that here constant 5 and here constant minus 2. 5 is equal to minus 2 and b. We know the value of a, 1. Substitute a. Therefore b is equal to 7. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 7. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 7. Okay. This is the equation 2. You can substitute these two values. Therefore 2x plus 5 is equal to a means 1. 2x minus 2 plus 7. In this question they are given root x square minus 2x plus 1. Divide with root over x square minus 2x plus 10. Therefore 2x plus 5 by root over x square minus 2x plus 10, 2x minus 2 by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 by root over x square minus 2x plus 10. Suppose in this question the given question is multiplication, you can use multiplication. In this question they are given division, therefore divide with root over x square minus 2x plus 10. Okay, and then integrate. Okay, the question is came here, and then integrate. Here you can observe that f dash x by root f of x, the derivative of x square 2x, therefore f dash x by root f of x, I can use formula f dash x by root f of x. F dash x by root f of x dx is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Okay, first of all it is in the form of this function, therefore I can use 2 into root over x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into dx by root over x square minus 2x plus 10. Okay, sum is not completed, and I can use the first type, 2 into root over x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into dx by x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 9, 2 into root over x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into dx by root over x minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. I know the formula here, 1 by root over a square plus x square sin h inverse x by a plus c. I know the form, d by dx of root over a square plus x square sin h inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula here. Therefore 2 into root over x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into sin h inverse x minus 1 by 3 plus c. This is the simple formula, type 3. Okay. Next, type 4, dx by linear into linear 2, L1 into L2, linear 1 into root L2, linear, means integral dx by ax plus b, this is the linear equation, into root px plus q, linear 2. Then this working rule is t is equal to root px plus q. You can take the value of in root, it is the t. Okay, I will give one example. Dx by x plus 5 into root x plus 4. Okay, therefore x plus 4 is equal to, you can take t square, no problem. Okay, dx is equal to 2t dt. Therefore 2t dt by, I can write x plus 5 as the x plus 4 plus 1 into root x plus 4. Therefore 2t dt by t square plus 1 into root t square, integral 2t dt by t square plus 1 into t cancel. Therefore 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse x, 2 into tan inverse t plus c. Therefore t is equal to root x plus 4. Therefore answer is 2 into tan inverse root x plus 4 plus c. This is the answer. 2 into tan inverse root x plus 4. This is the answer. I am discussing about the type 5. Suppose 1 by a plus b cos x dx or 1 by a plus b sin x. Okay, you can take